Hey guys, and
hello again.
Welcome to another video of us making fun kits. And these are the ones we chose to make today. This will end our DIY candy kits. Oh my god. And I think we may have done this one before, but I don't remember. And we're gonna do it again because we're kind of hilarious on camera together making these.
Well, I remember a penguin guy that we colored.
Yeah.
Mine turned out terribly wrong.
I just remember a crocodile, remember? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so anyways, we're gonna go smallest to biggest, so we're gonna do this one, this one, this one, this one, and then this one.
This one last.
Yeah, I'm not gonna have this one because it's chocolate. And chocolate
I will have it.
is yuck.
Kim's not a fan of chocolate.
No, I hate chocolate.
For all people who love chocolate,
so
I will eat it for you.
That. It also flares up my eczema, so why would I want that?
I just want to say too, if you're coming to us from our most recent one, where we failed on making our hard candies, I gotta say that banana flavor.
It is gross. I told you it was gross.
It was like powder flavor.
He's talking about this.
I'm talking about that guy right there.
And you can click on the little eye to watch the last candy kit video, because we'll go in order. But I'm taking this off so we can actually read the instructions, and I'm going to open it up. And I also have one of our glasses here, because it seems like you're gonna need to use a glass. Yeah, we do have the spoon. Oh geez. We do have the little, we have the spoon here already. We could just use this spoon.
Well, that's what I was saying, but I'll grab another spoon just in case.
Okay, so you put this one in the bottom.
And we got our 20 milliliter gun.
Okay.
On top.
And this is what we got. So, okay. So here we go. It's just like this fizzy, yummy drink.
It's fun. I enjoyed this one.
I like it. Nice and simple.
I'm gonna drink the crap out of it.
That's what I thought.
And then mix it.
One water pouch.
1 pouch of water. Give it a mixy mix.
Okay, mix. And we get purple.
Yay, purple!
Okay, what's the next step?
Then we take our number 2 pouch, which is the green pouch. It's underneath.
Oh, I was like, we don't have a pouch. Okay.
We're panicking. We're pouchless.
Okay.
Pouchless and panicking.
Star or music note?
Actually, right on top of our purple.
Oh, okay. Gosh, this is a lot of sugar. Okay.
It's some nice crystals, and now we get a new chemical reaction.
We're
folks.
going to get pink.
Isn't this exciting?
Oh my god.
It's pink and fluffy.
I kind of like this for kids in a sense because it kind of teaches them science. It gets them excited about science.
I mean, if we understood stuff better, then you could be like, oh, now we're taking this and we're putting it in
And it
here.
also makes it bubbly, just like our drink we just made. Okay, and then I'm guessing this one goes in the music note. I am going
now we're in this step.
I'm going to just, you're just making the yums.
You're making the yums. Candace is just going to do that.
Look at this, guys.
And I mean, fun again, because you can set it up however you like. Please double and triple dip, because my goodness, do they ever give you enough. Candace will have one stick, and then we'll get on to the other one while I have the other stick. All that you'll be missing is me talking about chocolate. Maybe I'll do that off screen. But look at that, you get 3 dips. That's pretty good.
And then you're supposed to use the spoon.
Oh, right.
Yeah, because it's little circles. Has to be on the spoon. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. I like it.
Yeah, I think this one was a win. Definitely.
Star and dolphin and stuff like that. Okay, so what?
And a robot.
And a robot.
And a planet.
So you're supposed to cut this part off.
And you can make that planet Saturn because it's got rings, or you can invent your own planet and say that the robot's from there.
Yeah, totally, man.
And they're coming to Earth to get a dolphin.
Okay, so we've got those, and then let's cut these out. Decorate, decorate.
Yeah.
Okay,
it was
so
fun.
let's try the star. I'm concerned I might not have enough here.
You do not have enough.
Maybe I do need to use the rest of this. Alright guys, so we have all of our colors mixed and we have some of these already made. And we'll show you when we're done because it's kind of hard to see on this.
It's super hard to see on that. I'm looking at the screen and I can't even see it.
The only one we have left to decorate is the dolphin.
Yeah, we wanted to save some time for you guys.
So you didn't have to watch us. Plus I was running out of battery life as I mentioned.
Combinations of things just not...
So pretty much all you do is you just decorate. Like this.
He's looking all nice and intense. He's all red-faced.
And then we've got the planet and the star. Okay, you want to eat one on screen? And then we've also
and then we
got...
just finished up the dolphin. Look how nice that dolphin turned out.
Okay, I'm gonna eat the star.
Candace eating the star?
Have one so we can move on, please. You don't have to
Oh, sorry, I'm all distracted. I'm gonna eat my planet. I wanted to say, look, you know, you can mix up your colors a little bit. I had fun doing that. No, because I can't read Japanese.
Okay, can you stop saying
The
that?
best I've got is you take the black stuff, you put it in one of the white plastic guys, and you throw it in the microwave.
Okay.
No, that, yeah, maybe?
And then you probably also do it with the white.
No, I don't know.
You probably have to put this in a microwavable safe container.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. Oh, jeez,
Man down. Okay, so we're gonna do that, and then we'll get back to you. So we're gonna go microwave these. All right, so we have mixed the two colors. I decided to put them in bowls, microwavable safe bowls.
We're back. From what I can tell,
Do we put it on the...
we take the white, because we're making pandas, right?
Yeah, don't you gotta do the eyes first? Eyes
Well,
or
I think we
chocolate?
can make it in a couple of different ways. They've got it that you pipe out the chocolate
Yeah, but they don't
onto
give
it
you
afterwards.
anything.
I thought they did, yeah. This
Oh, okay.
What do you? Well, they have some that are reversed, so it's like chocolate in here first. I'll grab one of the spoons. Oh, maybe we'll just make 4, so that way we each get 2.
I don't want any of these.
Candace doesn't want any. Maybe I'll just eat 4 of them.
Yes, you will. It has chocolate on them, I don't want.
That's true.
Okay, I am done here. 'Cause I
Candace
really
has-
doubt that I can get much more chocolate in here.
Okay, so the next is you get little biscuits.
Okay, I'll put this here. I will get the adorable little biscuits out.
Biscuits. Ooh.
You put them on there?
Yeah, you lock them in.
Oh,
So they have little faces already.
the ears. It doesn't matter
It
because
doesn't matter, the ear's gonna be chocolate.
Yeah,
So we'll just drop these guys in.
I'll eat one of these by themselves. Hey everyone!
All right, we're back.
We are
with
back.
our guys out of the freezer.
And we missed an ear here, but anyways.
No, we did that on purpose.
Oh.
So it's chocolate ear.
Okay.
We're gonna pop these guys out of here.
But before Chris does that, I wanted to say
Slow
that
one.
we did this earlier on, and what ended up happening was it got hard in the bag, and I remembered from a friend that what you can actually do is stick this in the microwave. It's still a bit hard. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna have to
We're gonna
microwave
it a
this.
little.
Wow, this is turning out
He's
so
monster
well.
panda. Blah, 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 blah. Actually looks good on camera. I gotta bring this guy up close because he looks hilarious. Look at this guy. Spin him around. Ooh. There he is. He's emanating his demon aura from his mouth. That guy turned out adorable. Let's get this guy up close. Look at how cute. So I mean, you know, nice and fun and simple. Candace likes, I think Candace likes the mixy mixes. We haven't busted out. Well, we would have busted out our...
It would have been in a different video altogether.
Yeah, check out our other video for the first one from that candy kit.
Anyway, so this was a lot of fun. Out of the 4 that we did in this video, I like the first 2 because they were the simplest and most fun, I think, and most sciencey.
Fizzy drink, yes.
So, anyways, that's my thoughts.
Mixing colors. I can't remember the second one already.
The second one was the wafers.
Oh yeah, the wafers is a ton
I
of
really
fun.
like the wafers.
Yeah, you know what?
And then the
For
epic...
me, it's between these two guys.
What was the one after this?
robots.
Oh, the robot was fun. Yeah, I really like that one
those
too.
Those guys, you know, it's just a nice painting one. If you had clean paintbrushes, you could probably make some really cool
You
designs.
probably could. But anyways, thanks so much for watching, everyone. This is going to be our last candy kit, probably forever.
Yeah.
So I hope you guys like it. Bye!
Bye, everybody.